Yep, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back. Today is going to be jam-packed. I have a few packages coming in, I hope, depending on if the shipping carriers get here on time today. But as of right now, I do have one issue that needs to be handled, and that's going to be mounting this. It's just been sitting there kind of just wobbling around. People have been kicking that. So that's going to get mounted today. I'm going to be using this Braketeer from Amazon. So the main reason why I went with the Braketeer was because the mounting location, I'll show you a little bit later, but once it's mounted to this location, it's going to be easy for me if I'm in the driver's seat to reach over, pull it out. If you had it mounted anywhere else, like back here, or I know some people that mount theirs in the bed, it'd be a little bit difficult to get to it if there's a fire. I'd have to open this to get to it if it was in the bed. Even if it was in the back seat, I'd still have to open this or jump into the back to grab it. This is probably going to be the easiest place for accessibility for the fire hydrant if I need it. A little story time. We've had two close calls. Luckily neither were on the trail. One was here at this house. We moved in here about 2 years ago. The first summer we were here, we broke out the old barbecue. Wasn't cleaned and had a little grease fire. Luckily my boy Jay had an extinguisher on him. We got that handled. And then last week at my cousin's house, I got called out for not having a fire extinguisher because they also had a grease fire in their backyard party. So that's why the truck is finally getting a fire extinguisher, and that's why I'm mounting it, so I don't get called out anymore. Thank God none of those close calls were on the trail. Would feel really bad. Yeah, let's get to mounting it. So this is everything you get with the Braketeer kit. It's going to be two of these, and then one main bracket. Hardware kit. It's all going to attach to this right here, the mount that should have came with your fire extinguisher. So one thing I should show you before I get to putting this together is there's two ways of mounting this. You can either use the rails this way, it comes with hardware to hold it in, or you could hard mount it to one of these bolts down here. I think this is the way that I'm going to do it just because it's a little bit more secure. And if it's here that way, my passenger could scoot as far forward as they want without being limited by this right here. Probably say apologize for the messy, dirty table. This is my camping table, so got a bunch of grease and stuff on it. Got all the hardware. So first things first is you're gonna mount these two right here. Just gonna loosely mount them for now. You're gonna want these two loosely mounted just so you can move them around. So when you get into the truck, you get them mounted correctly and then not have to loosen these up again. After that, you're just going to go in and mount these two plates right here. So these two outer ones. So now that you have your Braketeer loosely fitted, everything's still loose, you're going to take this into your truck and then mount it. Okay, so for the Toyota Tacoma, these two bolts right here are 14mm bolts. Should be able to just take these off. Just going to go through, grab your mount, get it all measured out. They do recommend using some blue Loctite for this, which is probably a good idea, but I don't have any. So it's still pretty loose in there. Just wanted to get everything lined up. correctly. See where it's going to mount. Push a little bit more. So this is about where I want it mounted. I'm just going to go ahead and tighten it down. You want to make sure these are tight because you don't want this in an accident flying everywhere. You want this to be secure for sure, for sure. On that note, I'm going to go grab the extra 2 and just put the 2 in there as well, just to make it a little bit more rigid. So that's all snug in there. And that's snug, dude. Just make sure everything's tightened down all the way. And there it is. Throw that baby in there. And that's it installed. So like I said before, hard mounting it here doesn't take up rail space, so they can move the seat as far forward, as far back as they want. No intrusions. I like this way better. It seems a lot more secure than just being on the rail as well. Yeah. And then like I said at the beginning of the video, the position of this mount is probably the best you can get. You don't have to reach in the back, you don't have to jump into the back, you don't have to go into the bed, you don't have to open anything. It's literally just reach over, pop that out, and then grab your fire hydrant if you need it. Super easy to get to. I want to say this is the best mounting position for a fire hydrant for your rig. So that right there is going to be the most efficient, easiest, most accessible way to mount a fire extinguisher to your rig. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments. Make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.